Unleash the power of the ERA C190. This isn't your average toy. It's a 1/30th scale masterpiece with dual brushless motors for unmatched speed and stability. Experience the thrill of 6-axis gyro control and 3D optical flow localization for precise, breathtaking flight. The 6CH functionality allows for intricate maneuvers, while the H145 design ensures a stunning visual experience. This ready-to-fly helicopter is perfect for enthusiasts of all skill levels. Get yours today and dominate the skies.